I'm here at the art museum and got my ticket, and I'm about to check my code in. And it's cool because I actually got a press pass. How cool is that? Yeah, I don't know what to do. Do I have to give this ticket to anyone? No, I checked everything, and I have a press pass, and they told me that I can take pictures without flash.
But you can't use that.
What's...
All of this has to be checked in. You can use your camera.
Right.
It
That is
tells
pretty.
you all different stories. You can see Adam and Eve right here, and you see the angel come to tell them to come out of, to get out of the Garden of Eden when she bit the apple, and you can see this right here. You know, the War of the Worlds and stuff like that. You know what I mean? You can see the angel right here. This is, you know, the devil down here. You know, this is the angel Michael, and this he's slaying the devil right here.
Oh wow.
These guns right here.
Yeah.
These were before the muskets and stuff like that.
Before the muskets.
Yeah, but this was for hunting. But the only thing that I can't understand, when did the gun turn on human beings? Because first it was just done for hunting.
What's your
Thank
name?
you for coming, Forbes.
Forbes.
Yeah,
My
Forbes.
name is Allan
Yeah,
Forbes.
thank you, man.
Nice
Thank
to meet
for
you. I
coming.
appreciate
No
it.
problem, man.
Here is the museum. It's 1876. This is two pieces right here. This is about 4 pieces. Wow, that's about 4 pieces. All almost packed. Well, here's the joint though. That's the joint of the You're welcome. William, yours? Allan. Pleased to meet you, Allan.
Thank you.
This is actually from 1500.
So this I'm touching right here is from the 1500s. Wow. That was the Philadelphia Art Museum. I'm gonna keep it all the way G with you guys. If you live in Philadelphia or if you're visiting Philadelphia, it's definitely something or a place that you should check out. You can go in there, and all the museums, all the people there, first of all, are very knowledgeable, as you guys can see. And all the pieces have information on the side of them. A lot of information about the pieces, so you can date the pieces and see where they come from, how old they are. Very, very interesting place to visit. You guys should definitely check out. Great place. Definitely coming back here again.